Hi, I'm Curt Frye, and in this movie, I would like to show you how to perform a task called unpivoting data. If you have data that has been laid out in an array or in a table, you might want to change it into either a single column or into a single row. And in this movie, I will show you how to do that. The sample file I'm using, Unpivot Data, is an Excel workbook you can find a link to in the video description below the video. The data that I have is for a series of batches of products and experimental data that came back. And rather than have the values in an array, I would like to have them either as a single column or as a single row. I'm exporting them to another program that expects them in that form. To unpivot or flatten this array, I'll go to cell G1 and I'll do it into a column first. So I'll type equal and then to column, returns an array as one column. The array is here, C4 through D7. And I don't need to worry about ignoring any values or scanning by column, just for this basic technique. So I'll press enter, and there are the values. And I had a little bit of stray formatting in cell G8. Let's not worry about that. The data has turned out the way that I wanted it to. Now, one thing to note is that because I used to column, the data started out with 355, and then it moved to the right, the next value in the same row, before it looped around and went back to the first column in row 2. So this is the order that this will move in. Now let's see what happens if I go by row. So I'll type equal, then to row, and I will select the same data, then right parentheses and enter, and I get the same result. We're going by row, and I have value 355 first, then 201, then 435, which is the first value in the second row, continuing on throughout the rest of the data. So this is a quick way to transform data in Microsoft Excel. If you need to go from an array to a column or a row, this is how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.